worst part. I know.
Damn, I got like no visor. I can't tell what the hell I'm looking at. Damn. I wish I could hear him talking on the way up. Oh, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this, fuck this. It's okay to scream.
Trina's got her arm around his arm. She's gonna scream so loud.
Yeah. Somebody's getting murdered. They're not even halfway up. This is awesome. Fuck the law. You got like another 40 feet to go. They're so small in this camera right now.
I know.
They are so far away. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, they're stalling. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, they went high.
She might be passed out.
She's hanging on to John's arm.
I think Dolly's sleeping. She's heads down. She's still holding on for dear.
She has to graduate to drop zone now.
Oh, she didn't go on drop zone, huh? Ah, drop zone's way worse than this, man. Way worse. Hey, did you get on drop zone?
Yeah.
Oh man, this was nothing compared. I thought this was gonna be horrible. Drop zone scared the shit out of me. Look at that. Yeah, to be a man.